Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you the health benefits of guava leaf. Guava leaf has a lot of health benefits and it also has a lot of nutrients. So without wasting time, let's dive in today's video. The number one health benefit of guava leaf is that it helps cure diabetes and it also helps lower blood sugar level. So what you're going to do is to get your guava leaf, boil it and drink 100 ml in the morning and 100 ml before going to bed. You'll be taking it twice a day. The number two health benefit of guava leaf is that it is the best fertility plant for both male and female. I will leave a link in the comment section or in the description on how to prepare your guava leaf tea for fertility blast and how long you should take it. I will leave a link in the comment section. The number three health benefit of guava leaf is that guava leaves are the best for weight loss and flat tummy. If you have been looking forward to lose weight, then start taking guava leaf tea. But when you are taking your guava leaf tea for weight loss and flat tummy, you have to be very careful because you may get pregnant. Guava leaf tea will make you to be highly fertile, but it is good for weight loss and flat tummy. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. It is quite free, and turn on your post notification bell. If you have any question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The number four health benefit of guava leaf is that it helps treat infection because guava leaves are packed with antioxidants, so it helps treat your infection. The number four health benefit of guava leaf is that it helps boost ovulation, it helps boost low sperm count. So if you're a man and you have a low sperm count, you should start taking guava leaf tea. It will help with your low sperm count. Then the number fifth health benefit of guava leaf is that it helps boost your heart health. If you start taking guava leaf tea, it will help lower your bad cholesterol, that is the LDL, and help increase your good cholesterol, that is the HDL. Guava leaf is also good for diarrhea. If you're having diarrhea, then take guava leaf tea. It will help stop diarrhea. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and to your loved ones. Thank you.